开始吃饭了。今天要跟大家讲的是另外2期的视频的内容，因为我们在上个礼拜接待了一个韩国小哥哥，然后我们今天是接待另外2位沙发客，就是从Argentina 来的Nacho， 他的名字其实跟这个玉米薯片一样 ，Nacho Chips。Nacho
Chips,
yeah.Yeah.And then we have
I'm Paulo, Polish hitchhiker forever.
他俩都是环球旅行走了好多年，然后今天要跟大家讲的跟上一期 hitchhiking 不一样的一个主题，就是我们今天因为你看到身后那小哥哥他是自己改造了一个 van， 然后自己一路开过来的。他在澳大利亚这边开 van 一共开了9 years。In this van， 所以说我们今天一会儿带大家看一下它这个 van 的里面的内部结构是怎么样的。然后这个波兰小哥他是hitchhike a boat， 所以他是从巴拿马中美洲的巴拿马 sailing 了3 months， 3个月一直 sailing 到澳大利亚的。所以我们接下去会跟大家讲一下，就是这2种不同的旅行方式，他们对我来讲都是非常新颖的。然后我们现在刚准备了饭，我们就先开饭吧。今天阿根廷的小哥给我们做了西班牙 version 的这个 tortilla， 就是鸡蛋饼。然后呢，他就先把里面的这个土豆给油煎了一下，土豆煎熟了之后，加上这个洋葱还有这个蛋，然后合起来蒸了一下，挺好吃的。然后我也贡献了一个菜，就是爆炒牛肉末。Is it good? 这个园子还挺好的。吃完饭了，刚才洗完了饭碗，现在要把这个饭碗放到他的那个车上去，看一下我们一会儿下面要做什么。So where should I put this?
Yeah.
Okay, now 我们带大家来参观一下小哥自己改造的这个汽车，他其实是拿了一辆中巴改造的一个 van。Okay, show us your home.
Hello, users of that tiny thing. This is my van. Has a name.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
What's
it's called the Roñosa. That in Spanish means like the filthy one.
The what?
The filthy or something like that, because it's really hard to keep it clean.
Okay.
But where I live here, so I live and travel in this thing. So you have to be settled for stay in the middle of nowhere and be
Self-efficient, yes.
So if you can see the top, there is a huge solar panel here.
哦，它上面有一个这个太阳能板。So this is the solar energies, right? 哇，好先进啊！ So you can get the
So
all
I
the
have-
power
yeah.
electricity from this solar.
So I have a second battery here inside. I can put, it's just there. So I have battery. I have energy all the time, so I can plug my phone and I don't know things, charge things.
But how long does it can it last if you?
Because I have a battery that keeps all the energy that I keep during the day, it lasts every day.
Okay.
I never run out of power.
Okay.
Because at night I used all the energy that was loaded in the battery was.
This is cool, Argentina. 看到没有，小哥自己做
This
了
is
一
a
个
really small Argentinian football team.
阿根廷人特别喜欢足球。
I should maybe clean the van before doing this video, but
Okay, we want to be more natural.
and also if you want to cook, this is really common for travelers. It's like a little oven.
Oh,
So
but this one you use the gas, right?
use this butane gas.
Okay.
Just connect it here, and you can travel and cook your own food. A little oven. So
对，刚才给我们看到的这个是他做饭的地方，就是他一般如果是你在旅途中自己想做饭，然后没有火的话呢，他们买的都是现成的那种打煤气的罐头，然后你把它接上之后，你看它其实锅碗瓢盆都有。我们刚才做饭的时候拿的就是这个碗，然后包括它炒菜的锅全都有，一应俱全。当然还有少不了我们的 You cannot miss this 这个是几乎你在每一个阿根廷的这个旅行者或者是司机都会遇到的，就是他们喝的一种这个马黛茶，在阿根廷是最有名的这个 mate， 所以基本上是 Argentinian people's drugs， so like everybody
Argentina people drugs.
然后哎，小哥，你看他做的这个睡觉的空间，然后这边其实是一个床垫，下面的一些空间有
That's
储
the
物
bed,
的。
and if you want, and I keep all my stuff
嗯
on the bottom of it. So I hang this one here,
嗯
and you have like lockers under the bed where you can put the
Oh.
stuff.
哦。So do you have any diamonds there?
Diamonds,
No.
plenty of diamonds. Gold, USA dollars.
Okay, I'm going to rob you tonight. 这还是一个实打实的这个床垫，然后它天花板上他自己做了很，哎 ，this looks pretty。它天花板上自己漆了很多图案，这哥们儿挺会画画的。嗯。
And here is China, I think.
Oh, this is a world map. Oh, I
It's a
didn't
world map,
realize. Oh, yeah. So this is Asia, Europe,
We
Africa.
are in this point. We are
Yeah.
in Darwin. That should be in this thing. In
Yeah,
this
we're
point.
now here. Oh, this is a world map, but you haven't.
Yeah, I
coloring
didn't
this
paint
one.
my country. That is this one.
阿根廷在另外一端。So if you dig from China until the end of the world, then you will find Argentina on the other side.
But I think that's it.
对，它这个车吧，就是汽车的空间不大，但是你看它其实可利用的这个空间就是还蛮大的。然后它在床那边，它那个床垫其实是一个双人床垫，然后 you can fit 2 people in this.
Yeah, two
Like
people
this,
fit
对吧
perfect.
对，然后就，哎呀，挺好的。然后它这个门，可以看它那个门，如果你关起来的话，就是，对，它关起来之后呢，它是一个非常彩色的这样子的一个，自己手绘的一个画，然后它上面手绘的这些图案都还蛮可爱的。这边有一个小人，然后。背后的话，背后也画了很多很漂亮的这个图案。它这个车牌是在澳大利亚做的。其实它这个这个小哥他驾了这辆车，在澳大利亚已经旅行了陆陆续续有9年的时间，所以他基本上9年时间里面，大多数时间都会把这个车停在高速路的旁边，然后如果有那些加油站啊，或者是补给点的话，就直接可以在这个车里面休息跟睡觉。从外面看，你并不觉得它有很多就是不一样的东西，因为它把这个窗户其实都漆掉了，看到没有？它这个窗户是不透明的，所以是外面的人其实看不到里面是一个房车这样子的概念。但你要是拉远了看，整辆车子还是挺可爱的，因为都是一个这种就是卡通造型的样子。我也希望有一天可以有机会去做它这样一辆房车。然后你看它前面的这个东西，前面的话是一个，哎，这是一个什么小卡通人物吗？这个还蛮可爱的。其实今天见到了这个小哥之后，我觉得还是挺给我一些启发的，因为我之前有背包旅行过很多地方，但是从来没有以这样的就是房车的一种形式去旅行。So I've never traveled in a van like this, and it's always been the things on my to-do list. From where do you got this idea that you want to travel in your own vehicle?
It's always like a dream when you love to travel so much. The big things is paying a lot of money in accommodation.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
So and hitchhiking is really good, but you also like you are saving money on the travel, but again you still have to look for accommodation, and sometimes living on a tent it's not so comfortable. So when you have your own car with your bed inside and you are self-efficient, you can go wherever you want, and you don't have to do the things that sometimes for some people is annoying, like booking in advance and all that stuff. So I'm driving, and sometimes you arrive to places that there is no hotel, nothing really like it's not on the tourist guide, but the place is still amazing. You have amazing sunset on the beach or in a mountain or in a lake, and with having the chance that you have your accommodation with you just can stop there, stay till the hour that you want, because you're not thinking on public transport or how do you go to any place. You just stay there, and when you feel tired, just close the door and go to sleep, and then you wake up in the same spot that you went to sleep. So you usually have an amazing sunrise the next day you can choose a different one.
What is the biggest advantage of traveling in a van, and what is the biggest disadvantage or challenge, or any like potential like dangerous situation traveling in a van?
I have the van for myself, so I have 2 extra seats, and I can share the experience with other travelers. that's a real advantage because you know people on the road, you know, like
Yeah.
you just took them from there and you're going to share your life, your time and your space with someone else while you're driving. That's a huge advantage. Disadvantage, of course, is could be after many time security could be a disadvantage, but once you understand that that's your way of traveling and everything, you start learning how that thing is not a disadvantage anymore.
But have you ever been robbed, or have ever people just like break your windows of the car or trying to damage your?
Like because all my valuable things, if you think in a way, is inside the car. So of course every time I stop the car, lock it and go for a walk or go for a, you know, you go to a national park and maybe you return to your car 6 hours later or you go to the beach. Yeah, you always, because it's not just a car, your things are inside, you try to park your car in a visible place, or your things are more safely than it's not just a car. So that's one thing. Sometimes it's energy, like if you are feeling that nothing is going to happen, maybe nothing happened, you take precautions and then it's, well, part of the trip.
How many days of food stock do you have?
I always have food and water for 6 to 7 days.
How many hours can you drive every day max?
I can drive as much as I want, but in this case it's my lovely car and I have it so many years that I really take care of her. Actually it's a woman.
Señorita.
La señorita. So I try to drive like not more than 400 kilometers, so because she gets exhausted.
Okay, good to know. 好吧，我们今天一会儿要坐大哥的车，然后去市区的海边看一下那个烟花。谢谢我们大哥来参加我们的采访，Muchas gracias。Hola。
Hola。
还是去我们百年不动的那个Mindelo Beach，因为达尔文这边海边的这个 Sunset Market 就只有一个。So we're going to Mindelo Beach.
We're going to Mindelo. Want to tell a story that is really out of your mind, really amazing to believe. It's like this is a Chinese story, you know, like this is only could happen, you know, it's impossible to happen.
下车了。今天好像，哎呀，这个车还挺酷的吧？停在这边。今天它这个Mindelo Beach 的 Market 好像人特别多，因为今天据说是唯一一天在北领地你是可以合法放烟花的。然后有没有觉得我们这个车特别拉风在后面？挺酷的。我们现在走向海边，哇！你看那个日落，今天日落特别美，整片天空都已经被映成了一个金黄色的样子。你看我们这个阿根廷那小哥，他的打扮就是非常 typical hippie dress with this kind of tattoo， 然后还有他裤子上的一个大大的爱字。how you say it? Te amo? No?
Te amo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Amo, yeah, te amo.
Like amor.
Amor, yeah. So be that.
今天人应该是蛮多的，因为我们刚才停车的时候，有没有听到已经有烟花的声音在上面了？因为今天是他们 legally they can play fireworks in Northern Territory, so I learned it from my guest.
Yeah,
so
but I'm
he's
new
more
here.
local and he's like 就是 more local. Oh, I see the crowd. It's over there. 在那前面，我们现在过去看一下。 听到了有重金属的音乐，他今天在沙滩上面 set up 一个 stage，所以一会儿在那边会有 live performance。Right, so it's time for you to sing tonight. Rockstar. See, when I was walking just like this, and then okay, so today we're going to blah 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 places by hitchhiking, and so far we didn't have any cars coming, but now we're going to the bus station over there and we will see. And this is the place where we are, then you show people the places.